I don't know. Are they?
I wish they'd all start flying.
They are.
They could see it.
Where? Wow, it looks like strings of them.
Oh well, I wish they'd come out before we could see them.
Yeah.
Like a whole bunch of them just fly across.
You
know?
can. They're in there.
Well, you can't really see. I mean, you see some flying tree to tree, but I'm talking about like a whole flock,
Oh.
you know?
Oh.
You know how you'll get like hundreds of them flying over at the same
Oh,
time?
like a bird
Yeah.
migration.
That's really cool. Like when they're down on the ground all together, you can really see them all.
Remember last year's
It
bird?
sounds like a lot, doesn't it?
Remember last year's bird migration where they all flew in on every time?
Yeah.
Over there? Something, wasn't it? They all landed and the guy walked down and they all started flying. That's kind of funny.
It sounds like there's hundreds of them, doesn't it?
Yeah.